This is my Moodle course that I created using instructional design principles. I'm making this video because I know that some people do not have access to Moodle. They don't have a login or anything like that. So I just wanted everyone to be able to see the course. So this is just the welcome page. It is designed by the weeks. So I didn't want to have everything up on the welcome page because that's really overwhelming. So I sectioned it out week by week. So if you click on week 1, everything will pop up for week 1. And so each week is designed by the day of the week, and then it is further organized by what students will need to watch, what they need to listen to, what they need to read, their assignments, the assessments into each day of that week. So if you just scroll down, you can kind of see some examples of that. And the labels are accessible. They are done with different headings, so it's easier for someone using headings to read the screen to access a heading 1 or a heading 2 or an assignment. And then if you just go to week 2, it's kind of the same thing. It's designed the exact same way. I didn't want there to be any type of confusion. And then the rest of the weeks are just the same, organized the same way. I did add audio in case there were people who needed audio along with the actual physical text. And then week 4, same kind of thing. I did add tutorials for digital projects in case a student wanted to use some type of digital platform that they weren't familiar with. I thought this would help them a little bit. And then week 5. And then I did add this book that students would start with, just kind of like the basic overview of the course, and that's broken down into different sections as well. So if they ever have a question, they could come back to the book and that might help them answer their question. So this is just a video that I made in case people can't access the actual Moodle course through the link.